Let's look at how to add a page border in Microsoft Word. Now, I have some text here, and normally we might not add a page border to text. Where we would see the use of page borders tends to be in when we're creating a flyer. Okay, so let me go ahead and actually remove some of this text so that I have a single page of text that we can play with. There we go. So I'm going to leave this at this size just so we can see the border. Now at this point, what I want to do is to go over to the Design tab. So we're going to go to the Design tab, which is right here. Click on it. These are our design elements. We've already discussed themes, colors, fonts. Notice here is page border. So I can go ahead and click on page border. It's going to bring up this sub window here, and I can apply a page border. Now I can do just a basic page border by clicking. Notice if I want, I can have just the border around the top and the bottom, for example, doing the whole document. Let me go ahead and say OK to that. And if you notice, here is my top border and my bottom border. Let's go back into page border. Let's apply the borders on the sides so that we do the whole border. Notice I can apply it to a section in a document, this section first page only, or this section, and etc. So there's that. Now here's some things. Notice I can change the color of the border. So if I want, I can change the color of the border. I can apply that to none. I can make the box. Notice by choosing box, it boxes it versus me having to come choose each individual element. I can change the width of the border. Let's just do a few things here and look at what that looks like. So there is our page border. Okay. Again, I can change the width and say OK. Make it thicker. One of the cool things is artwork. So there's some default artwork here. A lot of it that I can select. Let me go ahead and use the trees and apply that, and I get a nice tree border. So if my flyer is about a border, I can do that as well. So a lot of great things, whoops, that I can do with page borders. I can do customs, I can do some 3D borders. You get the idea. I would just encourage you to come in and play with this and figure out everything you can do. Take care.